Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze-ke okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke lelo-ke bhathini usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe-ke ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba-ke engilethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke i-MK-ke ne-ANC-na-ke kanye ne-EFF-ke laphana-ke bavele-ke benza-ke izimanga-ke laphana-ke ngenkathi-ke belaphana-ke ephalamende-ke beshiya-ke i-DA idangabele-ke laphana-ke ngenkathi-ke becula-ke izingoma-ke zomzabalazo-ke laphana-ke. Le ngoma-ke yomzabalazo-ke iqalwe-ke i-MK yase yajoyina-ke ne-ANC-na-ke ne-EFF-ke laphana-ke yasala kanjalo-ke laphana-ke yabelungu-ke be-DA laphana-ke uNhlamulo Ndlela kube sengena-ke kwikhasi lakhe laphana ku-Twitter sichaza yonke-ke le nto-ke le. Kodwa ngifune mina ukuthi ezwa ngami phela nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzwile wona ukuthi-ke kuthiwani-ke. Mina ngicela ukuba masizwile-ke ividiyo le ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho kona-ke ngalolu daba ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke busuwenze okulungile-ke lapho-ke ufoze-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ezizobe ngiyifaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nawo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Hey, zajika izinto eParliamente, guys. Let me show you ke sana. There's some kind of unity going on. Love it for them ke sana, because wow. So the Progressive Caucus started singing, the EFF and the MK, and the ANC started to join in, and the DA is like, Kubana, what's happening? Obviously they're confused because bacula ngesixhosa and stuff. Let me show you Gesana. Let me first read you before I show you the clips where they are singing. Let me just show you first their headings, because I see Nhlamulo posted, but I see Snawo also posted. Let me just show you quickly. So firstly, I saw you post Xolise etubana parliament right now, and then I saw he post now at implement the Bella bill in its entirety now. Cyril Ramaphosa, you have the full backing of parliament. And then I also saw Ipostika Nhlamulo, Nhlamulo, the beginning of the end of the so-called GNU. Tonight we witnessed the progressive ANC of Parliament joining the progressive caucus of the EFF and the MK as we sang a struggle song on the land ownership in Unionson, leaving the DA confused and perplexed. Black people unite. Just before ndinidlalele lento, so siyavana ngoku. I think ziyalunga izinto. Othandazayo makathandaze, okhandayo makakhande, ungathi siyaxolelana. Provided bangaphinde basigqebhe, because if baphinda basigqebha, anyway, let me play for you guys.